Hi, I am David Abraham, your email marketing specialist. In this video, I help you how to avoid a spam folder. This strategy also works with avoiding promotional tab in the Gmail. Here is one thing, I can guarantee 100% avoiding a spam folder because it's my specialty and I do on a regular basis as a email marketing specialist. But I cannot guarantee avoiding promotional tab because promotion tab is already made for promotional email by Gmail. So promotional tab is specifically made for promotional email, and sometimes whatever you do to prevent that, so Gmail put your email in the promotional tab, so no one can prevent it 100%. And if some marketers claims that he or she can prevent promotion tab, he is telling you wrong. Pay attention to that. So how to avoid a spam folder? Number 1, set up DKIM or SPF records in your domain. DKIM and SPFs are two important DNS records that authenticate your email addresses, so you send your email as a legal sender. And email services like Gmail and Yahoo recognize you as a legal sender when you send an email from a domain-related email address. So set up DKIM and SPF records in your domain with your domain providers. Both of these two records are available with your email marketing autoresponders like Aweber and GetResponse or ClickFunnels. So tell them to provide these two records and provide it for your domain provider in order to set them for you. Number 2, send your email from a domain-related email address. According to CAN Spam Acts of America, every email marketer should send an email from a domain-related email address. So it's in fact a rule to send an email from a domain-related email address. Never use from Gmail email address or Yahoo email address or something else. Number 3, avoid using spammy words. These are common spammy words that can trigger the spam box. Number 1, $, word guaranteed, free in all caps, money, discount, 100% free, extra income, buy now, and much more. So you can go to Google search and you will find a lot of spammy words by typing spam trigger words there. Never use these words in your subject line and email contents. Number 4, clean your email list. I mean remove those who have not opened an email for 90 days or more. If some of your subscribers didn't open an email for 90 days, so send them a reminder and a reminder email for 3 days and remind them for whatever reason they opted in and into your email list. So give them their free gift again and tell them that they opted in for whatever reason they opted in your email list. This strategy works and you can revive at least 10 or 20% of your email subscribers back to open your email on a daily basis. Do these strategies regularly. Number 5, avoid sending duplicate content. Never use affiliate email swipes or using articles from Google or somewhere else. Just rewrite those articles or email swipes again and send them to your list. Always write fresh subject line and fresh email content. According to email marketing experts like Onyx Singal, sending duplicate content trigger the spam box. Never use duplicate. Number 6, test your email before sending it to your subscribers. So there is a specific feature in all autoresponders like Aweber and GetResponse by the name of test as a test option. So they help you to test your email before sending it to all your list. So if you test your email but end up in the promotion or spam box, it can be because of 3 things. It can be because of subject line, it can be because of content, or it can be because of email address. So test your email and you see that end up in the spam box, come back and try to write a new fresh subject line and then test again. And if the second time end up in the spam box or promo box, come back to your email and rewrite a few content of your email and test again. So this will help your email to end up in the spam box. Test your email with at least 2 email addresses. Use link tracking software in order to track your link and use unique link. So if someone else already used an affiliate link from ClickBank or GVZoo for their sending an email, and that if that email end up in the spam or promo box, so your email will also end up in the spam or promo box as a result of that affiliate link. So never use that affiliate link directly. Try to use link tracking software in order to get a fresh link. There is 2 free services. One is Rebrandly and the next one is TinyURL. So go to Google and type them and sign up for these 2 free services in order to track your links and get a new fresh links. So here is summary. In order to avoid a spam filter, number 1, set up DKIM and SPF records. Number 2, send your email from a domain related email address. Number 3, avoid spam trigger words. Number 4, clean your email list. Number 5, avoid sending duplicate content. Number 6, test your email before sending it to all. Number 7, use link tracking software. Do these 7 strategies and you will be golden. So don't forget to get my book, my email marketing book. It will help you how to start a profitable email business and how to fix your deliverability. It's completely free and you can download it via the description below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding email marketing skills. Thank you very much for now.